Hello friends, myself Preeti Divyani and today we are going to prove Cesaro's theorem. Statement is, if the sequence an and bn converges to a finite limits a and b respectively, then limit n tends to infinity a1bn plus a2bn minus 1 plus a3bn minus 2 plus up to plus an b1 upon n is equals to ab. Okay, so let's see the proof. Let an and bn be any two convergent sequences which converges to finite limit a and b respectively. Okay, that is limit n tends to infinity an is equals to a and limit n tends to infinity bn is equals to b. We have to show that a1bn plus a2bn minus 1 up to an b1 upon n is equals to ab. For this we consider an as an is equals to a plus alpha n. Okay, where alpha n tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. Now limit n tends to infinity a1bn a2bn minus 1 an b1 upon n is equals to limit n tends to infinity a1 alpha 1. Okay, here we are going to put n is equals to 1 2 3 successively. A plus alpha 1 bn, a plus alpha 2 bn minus 1 up to a plus alpha n b1 upon n equals to limit n tends to infinity taking a common b1 bn minus 1 bn minus 2 up to b1 plus alpha 1 bn alpha 2 bn minus 1 up to alpha n b1. Okay, so this is by n, this is by n. Understood? This is in the one line. So limit n tends to infinity a b1 bn minus 1 bn minus 2 up to b1 upon n plus alpha 1 bn alpha 2 bn minus 1 up to alpha n b1 under root n. Just close it with big bracket. Now we know that the sequence bn is convergent. Then it is bounded also. So there exists a positive real number, say capital B, such that mod of bn less than capital B for all n belongs to capital N. Now give this equation star. From star we have limit n tends to infinity a1 bn, a2 bn minus 1 up to an b1 upon n less than equals to, see carefully, taking a outside and taking limit n tends to infinity inside. A limit n tends to infinity b1 bn bn minus 1 up to b1 upon n plus limit n tends to infinity mod of alpha 1 bn alpha 2 bn minus 1 up to alpha and b1 upon n. We just take modulus sign and we just put here less than equals to, because we know that x is less than mod of x. Okay, you better know that. Now a limit n tends to infinity b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n plus limit n tends to infinity mod alpha 1 mod bn mod alpha 2 mod bn minus 1 plus up to mod alpha n mod b1 upon n. Okay, this is less than equals to a limit n tends to infinity b1 plus b2 plus up to bn upon n plus limit n tends to infinity mod alpha 1 b, because of bn is bounded by capital B, we just assume it earlier, b alpha 2 b, similarly alpha n b upon n. This is equals to a dot b. From Cauchy's first theorem on limits, we know that if the sequence bn converges to b, okay, as n tends to infinity, then limit n tends to infinity b1 plus b2 up to bn upon n tends to b. Okay, by Cauchy's first theorem on limits. May check my description box, all the links are given below. I also uploaded Cauchy's first theorem on limits. Now taking b outside and taking limit n tends to infinity mod of alpha 1 mod of alpha 2 up to mod of alpha n upon n. A dot b plus b dot 0. Here we assume that alpha n tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. So again, by using Cauchy's first theorem on limits, we know that if alpha n tends to 0 as n tends to infinity, then limit n tends to infinity alpha 1 plus alpha 2 up to alpha n upon n tends to 0 also. From right there, this means a dot b. From Cauchy's first theorem on limits, limit n tends to infinity b1 plus b2 plus bn upon n is equals to b, and limit n tends to infinity alpha 1 alpha 2 up to alpha 1 upon n is equals to 0. Okay, therefore limit n tends to infinity a1 bn a2 bn minus 1 up to an b1 upon n is equals to ab. So guys, this is the proof of Cesaro's theorem, which is very important theorem from the chapter sequence and series. I also uploaded important theorems and their proofs. You may check out in my description box. All the links are given below. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my videos.